friends, and this is Right, and this is Iris, and this is Iris is actually new to the channel. She's been born 2 years ago. It's pandemic season. It's pandemic, but if this video hits 1,000 likes or 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna start posting twice a week.
We're gonna post twice a week if we get 1,000 likes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ikaw ba nagturo niya?
Hindi.
You can open.
So what are we gonna do today?
Open this toy.
What is this toy about?
It's about cooking. It's a chef thingy, and then with this toy, I actually found it in the box. One of my friends has this in the old bar.
Oh, listen to what I saying.
That's what she knows. She knows that it's...
Says it's food. Iris says it's food. And then she said, apa. Are we gonna
Apa.
open it?
Open?
Are we gonna
Open?
open it? It's asking me to open it.
And retouch this one. You can cut this and retouch this.
So what are we gonna open first? The small one or the big one?
Small, big,
I think
small, and big.
We'll
Small.
open the big first so that you have
Okay,
something
we'll
to
open
play
the
with.
big first. How about mommy gets the scissors? Because only adults should be handling scissors.
I found
Look at this tiny girl. She's trying to get it.
He's trying
What
to
are we
get
gonna
it.
do? What are you gonna do, little girl? What are we gonna do? Mommy's gonna open it, okay? Stay on the side.
I will open
Stay
it.
on the
I know how to use scissors.
Yeah.
Cutting it together, not a lucky
Stay on the
scissors.
side. Okay, I think everything's been cut.
Cover it up.
Okay. Alright.
Oh!
What's inside?
Can you give me the battery?
Oh,
Might
there.
get low.
Baby girl is now happy. It's for her.
Oh, and
Is
there are
baby girl the
stickers.
one happy or the kuya?
Both.
Oh, you would notice that we chose a color that is not pink.
Yeah.
Usually you get pink kitchen sets, but this one is nice because it's not pink. So
Look.
even the kuyas can use it. Mommy and Daddy will have to switch because Daddy is the one good at building, so I'm gonna go behind the
But you're a
camera.
program
I think you can
engineer.
do it.
But Daddy,
Oh,
you're a
that's a
programmer engineer. You're a programmer engineer.
Is there an instruction here? We're copying that.
Okay.
Can you guys look for the roof? Where's the roof? There, that roof. Oh, there. And then the poles, the orange
Oh,
poles.
look back. Oh, this is well, I found this. Can we do a 100 calorie challenge?
100? Just 100?
Yes, 100 calorie challenge.
How do you turn this thing off? Oh, there.
Oh.
Noisy. I think there's still something that's supposed to be here at the back.
Yeah. But it's not straight, mommy.
Huh?
The print in front.
I'm really not good at this.
It's fine.
It won't even fit. I don't know where to make it fit.
Come on, baby girl.
Like this?
Come on, baby girl.
Have mommy first. Have
Let's
mommy
make
first.
some food for our mommy while she.
It fits like that.
Oh, okay. Then maybe that's it.
Just like that?
Yeah.
Why is there a hole here and here?
The one behind. I
I
don't
know,
know.
where is it supposed to go?
Inside.
Inside? Like that? Is this
No,
the
just on
chicken?
top. Like that. Yes.
Oh, that's the chicken that you're cooking. Okay, and then I can put this back now.
Okay, let's put that back.
I'm gonna try to put this back, my dear ones.
Yes. And then let the magic begin.
Oh, we're gonna put, ano pa? We're gonna put
Stickers.
stickers.
Chan. Okay. Okay, my turn.
Nice.
Mommy, my turn.
Flowers here and here.
I is cooking food. Please place it at them.
Wait, hold on, hold on.
Oh.
Let me.
Mom, Iris is been cooking here.
Okay.
Because you have to leave the frying pan and the pot of bowl, the bowl pot in the oven, and then.
Okay.
Okay, other side, Kuya Lance. Your turn, Kuya Lance. Other side. There.
Wow, wow. My turn will be.
Okay, this way, this way, this way. This way, this way, this way, this way. See that? On top. There. This way, this way. Alright, next is Kuya Lance's turn. Kuya Lance, straighten it.
Oh yeah, we can start about the posting twice a week. Oh yeah, I also remember about the
We're gonna
posting.
post twice a week.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Look at me.
Yeah, this is really interesting. Anyway, happy with that? And then, oh, we're almost done.
On the side.
Yummy.
Don't put it too near. It can
How
be a
about
little bit
how
soft.
about you hold the on of one
Mommy,
button
you
first?
can you put them?
Okay.
She wants me to open it.
The other one.
I want me to open it.
Yeah, we can open it a little later.
Other one. I like you want. Or Kuya Lens, you want? You're just gonna push it down. There's your ketchup.
Why is there?
Oh, there's the ketchup.
On the ketchup. This one.
Tomato sauce. The red one.
Tomato. Here.
Napkin.
Mommy will do it?
Yeah.
They're not interested in putting stickers anymore. Oh,
Okay.
I made it tagilid.
I'm gonna cut them. I'm gonna cut them.
It's still tagilid. Oh, whatever. There you go. Lopsided tomato. Oh, where are your pots?
Here, the 2 yellow pots.
Mom, you help us. We can put anything anymore.
Then, it's like I'm the one playing.
Yeah, you can have having fun. The one thing is fun.
Then here.
Can you help me alalay, Kuya?
Okay, look at that.
Ta-da!
I also need to help him.
And then, where are the cups? I need one cup. The green one. Here.
Dad, don't want some of these.
Okay. Go.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, here.
Two on both sides.
Can I try it?
They have. Put the other one on the side. Kuya.
It's baliktad.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay, and then. Alright.
Oh yeah, thanks,
Got
Dad.
it.
Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, your baby sister is singing. She's so happy she's singing.
But just like a house.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Alright.
Dad, that's when I'm going to sing. Dad, we're going to do some of this.
Yeah.
Dad, this one's back.
Alright.
We're done with this. Box number 1. How about we put it down now so the table so that Iris can reach it?
Hold on.
Or I'm here while you guys open the other one. Iris, it's here. It's here, baby, it's here. Oh, you can here. There. another one. There's another one.
Oh! We can. I can't cut the corn.
Okay, let's
I wanted
open
to,
this.
I wanted to eat this.
So
Food
your
like this.
kitchen is ready. And
Yeah.
now you're gonna
Have the food.
Prepare
yeah.
ingredients.
Here.
Ingredients.
We have some rice. That's why it's like peanut.
Oh, that's dangerous, Kuya Lens. You might cut yourself.
I'm gonna cut my fingers.
Oh,
It's ouchie. That did not even cut.
ouch.
It's ouchie when you do like ouch.
Guys, why do you want to play with this? We have our kitchen there.
Yeah.
You can always cook there if you want.
I just want to learn how to cook.
You just wanna. Do you wanna become a chef when you grow up?
Yeah.
Look at her, she's eating. She's putting it in her mouth. Oh, not that. Look at her. Oh.
Come.
You're cooking?
You think she cooked?
Yeah.
Come.
She's cooking.
Oh, she got from the pot and then she will eat.
Oh. She's testing the food that she made.
That's what she made?
Yeah, she's testing if it tastes good.
She like
Hey, the others are pulling it out. Go. Go, pull it out.
oh my guacamole.
Go, pull out the plastic. Lift it up. Hurrah! Lift, lift, lift. Guys. Okay, there. You can play with it.
I'm gonna cut this mushroom.
Can it be
Cut it?
cut? Wow!
Wow.
So hard. I'm gonna cook.
What about the corn? Cut the corn. Chop the corn.
Whoa!
It's now dirty. It fell on the floor.
Is this supposed to be the chopping board or is this trash?
That's the chopping board, Mommy.
This is the chopping board?
No,
Oh,
that-
this is the chopping board. Okay.
Mom, I know where to play the chopping board. Here.
Okay.
Chopping board.
Alright.
No. I do chopping board.
Wow.
I guess you could cut and then cut this corn. Now we have a kitchen.
Okay. Kapag na daw eh. Fried veggies and
Di ba may ka sa suklay? Wait for it.
Yay! Ba, maraming toys for today oh.
Conference ang nabotas eh.
Sakto.
Kaya hindi niya tatandaan yung tipo niya.
Hi guys!
Hi!
I'm very hungry today. Can you cook me some fried... What do you have? Veggies. Can you cook me some fried veggies, please? Can I order fried veggies?
What kind of veggie? What kind of veggie?
I want mustard and ketchup. Okay, wow. What is that taste? Okay, oh no. Oh no, you touched my food with your... So I'm gonna eat this. Okay.
Hey,
Nice. Okay, use this. Oh, it's... There. Oh no. There is gone. Now I want... Can I have... I want eggplant juice. Can you make eggplant juice for me? Ang saya-saya nila.
What's that?
Kaya ko hindi lang pala talaga pang girls yung cooking, no?
I can just cut that with my hand.
Okay, you're gonna cut it and then you're gonna... Wow, he's squeezing it out. Okay, I want my eggplant juice to be hot. Can you warm it up? Can you warm it up? There, you can warm it up there. I want warm eggplant juice.
One eggplant juice right there. No, that's not good.
Okay, there. Oh, be careful, it's hot. Don't touch it. And you too, be careful.
No, it's okay. I'm wearing gloves.
Oh, you're wearing gloves.
Where? Gloves.
Where? You're
Invisible.
Oh, okay. Invisible gloves. This is my eggplant juice.
Yes, it's eggplant.
It looks a bit scary.
Yeah, actually, there's no such a thing as eggplant juice.
You made me one. There's no such thing as egg.
Is there?
I'm gonna take
What about
Oh, it's hot.
And why did you make it? Can it make it colder?
I'm good. Thank you. I'm so full. I'm gonna burp. Like that. Yeah. Thank you.
good job, boys? So we have Chef Light and Chef Len.
I just want. You can have two customers at a time.
2 customers at a time?
Yeah, please two
Who
customers.
wants to be another customer?
Two customers.
Tita Erica, Tita Erica, you want to be a customer now?
Shante, you said you wanted one first. You get to go first. You get to choose first. Tita Anche. Tita Anche gets to be first.
Sasha, Tita Erica will be the new customer. I'm full.
Come on, get over here.
I'm not gonna pay. I'm gonna eat and run. Bye.
Bye bye. I'll see you next time. Come on. This is game. We don't need to cook them because we cook all of them here. And I just. No, not them. You forgot your script. What else do you want?
I want a baked mushroom. Wow, baked mushroom. Baked mushroom with eggplant. Are you baking? Wow.
Oil.